Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Blessed neck and the middle part of the shoulders. It is narrated by Bad that the Holy Prophet ﷺ had well-formed slender neck. The joints of the bones of the Holy Prophet ﷺ were large. It is narrated by Hind ibn Hala that he said the neck of the Holy Prophet ﷺ had the most paramount luminous galaxy neck as the moon shows. It is narrated by Umar Farooq that the neck of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was like a silver vase. It is narrated by Abu Huraira from Hind ibn Hala that there was a considerable distance between shoulders. Muslim 2237. It is narrated by Ali al-Murtada that the blessed limbs of the Holy Prophet ﷺ were very large and there was a remarkable distance between two shoulders. Tirmidhi 3635. Narrated by Anas that whenever people begged the Holy Prophet ﷺ, he ﷺ bestowed once a Budan caught his shawl during begging. I got opportunity to see his shoulder, as if it was the moon in whiteness. Narrated by Abu Huraira, when the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to put a shawl on his blessed shoulders, it was as if they were a piece of silver. Al-Hafiz Abu Bakr ibn Abi Katima wrote in his history that the neck of Allah's Messenger ﷺ was more beautiful than all the human beings. The part of the Prophet's neck that was outside the clothes was made of silver. It was like a vase mixed with gold. It shone with silvery whiteness and golden red, and the part lived in clothes as if it was the 14th moon. Narrated by Mother of Believers Hadrat Aisha Siddiqa, the neck of Allah's Messenger ﷺ was beautiful and moderate, neither too big nor small. The part that was exposed to the sun and wind was so bright, like pure silver mixed with gold. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.